If you have a furry friend and your kids have allergies, you know how important it is to keep your place clean. And having a lint brush like this is one such method. It's super easy to collect and take out all the hair from the compartment behind the brush. If you have bed sheets, that is where this is magic. You'll be surprised how much fur it pulls out. All you do is you roll up and down until you get all your furry friends' hair out of the fabric or the furniture. This is a super efficient pet hair removal tool. It works on beds, sofas, pillows, quilts, carpets, and car seats. Truly an amazing product and highly, highly recommended. It works on beds, sofas, pillows, quilts, carpets, and car seats.